Today, we will talk about how to get payday loan with bad credit. Let's have a look at the details. Individuals with bad credit records are often the ones most in need of additional money. It can be hard, however, to find a lender willing to loan you money when you have bad credit. Payday loans are one option for borrowers who need quick cash while rebuilding their credit, but they are not always an appropriate solution to a money problem. In many cases, payday loans can spiral and you can get trapped in a cycle of debt that is hard to get out of. Borrowers must approach such a loan very carefully and with full knowledge of the terms of the loan. The first method is determining if a payday loan is a right option. Evaluate your options. Before you decide to accept a payday loan, seriously consider the other possibilities. People with bad credit will have a hard time finding a favorable rate of interest, but payday lenders balance this risk by charging exceptionally high interest. Learn the basic process of a payday loan. A payday loan is generally a small loan that you pay off at your next payday, which is normally 2 weeks or a month after you take out the loan. Recognize the problems that can arise. There are many problems that can arise if you find yourself turning to payday lenders to cover your bills. The second method is applying for a payday loan with bad credit. Identify all eligibility issues. Before you proceed with a payday loan, make sure you are eligible and able to repay. Rules concerning eligibility may vary by lender but are likely to involve income, age, and other factors. Be sure you understand these before you apply for a payday loan. Visit a payday loan office. When you go into the office, you will be asked to fill out the application form. Make sure to read the entire application before beginning to fill it out. Establish the value of your next paycheck. Payday loans are made with that amount in mind. Lenders will consider your basic recurring expenses and then probably limit the loan to a percentage of your monthly or weekly income. Write out a check and leave it with the payday loan officer. Pay off your payday loan on time. You will most likely be given until your next payday to pay off your loan. When that day arrives, the lender will cash your check. If you have enough money in your account, then your transaction with the lender will be over. If you do not have enough money in your account, the lender will charge you a fee that will increase the longer you do not pay off your loan. And the third method is improving your credit score. Assess your credit rating. To help you avoid using payday lenders, you can try to build up your credit score to access more mainstream and less expensive loans. Start by assessing your current credit score. Manage your credit cards responsibly. When you have credit cards and installment loans, it is very important that you make your payments on time. This can help to build up your credit score in the future. Consider setting up automatic payments. If you have a hard time remembering to make payments, change your account settings so that your accounts will automatically make the payments for you. Consider getting a prepaid credit card to build up your credit. There are a few prepaid credit and debit cards out there that may allow you to begin building up good credit when you use them. The concept behind a prepaid debit card is that you have already paid the amount on the card, so you will not miss a payment and get bad credit. You should keep in mind that prepaid cards generally charge fees. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.